Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In this video, you will learn how to delete all chats on Messenger. You will be requiring a particular app for that. Let's go to Play Store and type in delete messages on Messenger. So this is the particular app. I have already downloaded it, so let's open it. You are required to sign in from here. Tap on Login. And you will see these options. If you want to delete all conversation, tap on delete normal conversations. Group conversation is also available, also the message request and the marketplace conversation. Choose delete normal conversations. So altogether there are 3 conversations. Tap this to select all and go to delete conversation at the bottom. And now it's done, and I'll show you the quick overview. So this is how it's gonna look like after all your chats are being deleted. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and do follow for more.